Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. And about you?
I'm also good, like you. Geeta, your name is Geeta, na?
Yes, my name is Geeta.
Geeta, please give me your short introduction.
Yeah, why not? As you know,
Mm,
my name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. I'm married. I have
mm.
two kids, one daughter and one boy. If you talk about my qualification, I have completed my 12th class in 2014, and nowadays I'm learning English because this is my choice and I want to make environment for my kids. That's why. If you talk about my hobby, I like teaching, dancing, and sometimes reading books. That's all.
Okay,
Yeah.
wow. You have two kids.
Yeah. One daughter and one boy.
Oh, that's lovely. So,
Yeah. So please
so
give
now
you
I have.
introduce yourself.
Mhm. So now
Yeah.
introduce to myself. My name is
Yeah.
Neetu. I'm from Delhi. I have one kid. He's a boy, and I am a homemaker. If I am talking about my education, I have completed 12th class from CBSE in 2019. And now
Okay.
I and now I'm a housewife. And if you are talking about my hobbies, so my hobbies are take caring of my baby, fun with my son, and I
Yeah.
love to travel alone. I love traveling,
Okay.
so that is my
Wow.
hobbies. And now I am learning this language for my kid also because I want to give him English environment so he can understand English.
Yeah. Yeah. This is
Hmm.
very good way for our you can say our self increase and also
Hmm.
our kids.
Yes. So, what is your age
So
of your first baby?
my first baby old is like a 4 year old, and my daughter is 8 year old.
So
8 years old.
she okay. So she spoke English.
No, both are not speaking English, but you can say if
Hmm.
in future, if I speak very well in future time, then they will
Hmm.
watch my video and environment feel that then they possible.
Okay. So you
Yeah,
are elder one. You have elder daughter. She is elder, and your baby is younger.
small. Yeah, my
Okay. So how
daughter
do?
is in. Yeah, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Ask.
May say something.
Yeah, yeah. My daughter is you can say study in fourth class, and my son is only one class.
Okay. So
Yeah.
it is. So it is very really hard for you to learn English new language, right?
Yeah, sometime I have that time I have free time. That time I do my practice with
Hmm.
watching new content, English content, and sometimes story work. So it is impossible
And now the summer vacation
sometimes.
is going on. So you are both of kids at your home right now, na?
Yeah, because in this time I'm also in my I live in my maternal house, so
Okay.
that's why it's easy handle because I live in my maternal house with my mama mommy. So one
Hmm.
kid with me and one kid my you can say nanny with nanny.
Okay.
Yeah,
It is very hectic to handle two babies, right?
yeah. But it is yeah it is possible because my daughter is understanding level. So yeah,
Okay. So she understand everything.
yeah. And
So how do you practice? Mm-hmm.
that time I make video. That time they understand mama is making video. So please keep silent.
Okay. So
Yeah,
how do you
and
practice your English?
yeah, this time not good because sometimes I have free time, and that time I have free time I make video, and that time I don't have free time. That time it's on go.
So do you read something?
No, because sometimes I read like little story. You can
Hmm.
say YouTube channel on
Hmm.
YouTube. Yeah. Sometimes I'm listening and sometimes I'm reading. on YouTube.
Okay. So are you running a YouTube channel?
Yes, I have a YouTube channel.
Okay. So
That
how
is
many subscribers do you have?
now like 736.
I don't have
Yeah,
that much.
yeah. You don't have any YouTube channel?
Yes, I have YouTube channel, but I have very less than you subscriber.
So when did you start your YouTube channel?
I started my YouTube channel 7 months ago, but in between my phone had broken by my kids. So I didn't post something from 2 months.
Yeah, that's problem with me because sometime my phone is hanging, so that's why
Hmm.
I can't upload. I couldn't upload any video, and
Okay.
also couldn't make video because sometime very hang.
Yes.
Yeah,
So when did you start your YouTube journey?
yeah, 1 year ago because both same problem with me. Like 1 month ago, I upload video and 1 month is gone.
Okay.
Yeah, have gone. Sometimes that time I have free time and I feel very good. That time I make video only this type of.
No, when your kids, both of them, they went, they go to school classes, then you can continue your channel.
Yeah, but time that time I have a nose problem, so that's why my health is not good, so that's why.
Okay. Right, right, right.
Yeah, that time I have nose problem like a in fat is increase in my nose, so that's why I have you can say infection.
Okay.
Yeah,
So now the treatment is going on.
yeah, yeah. Now I'm good.
Mhm.
Yeah,
No, stay healthy and wealthy.
yeah,
Mhm.
yeah.
So what's your aim, dear? What's your aim?
My aim, if you talk about my aim, so not amazing aim, but only you can say if I speak English, then very well. Then in
Mm.
future I make I you can say I teach. I want to teach little bit small student. You can say English
Okay.
only.
So you can
Yeah.
start your teaching career now. You can start.
Yeah, but this time na I join suddenly I join parlor courses, so that's why.
Okay. I want to join our stitching classes and parlor classes also, but sometime I have a small kid. He is 1.5 years. So just because of that, I cannot go outside.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah,
now you are
but
free.
yeah, now I'm free, but some problem, personal problem, so that's why.
Yes, I can
Yeah,
understand because I am also a lady.
yeah. So do you
Yes.
have YouTube channel? And so please, if anyone asks you for speaking English, what do you do? Then what suggest you them person
To improve your
to
English.
improve? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So according to me, Geeta, I speak every day. I try to speak every day. I try to I try to do conversation, and more I listen. And nowadays, I am watching English web series, so which I can relate. Right, those web series, I that word is like we that particular words we have used in our daily life.
Yeah.
So nowadays, I am watching web series, English web series.
Sometime if I make video daily to day, then I speak
Hmm.
very well. But sometime I skip. Then I feel nervous and hesitation,
Hmm.
and sometimes I'm also stuck because sentence is not coming in mind.
Right.
Yeah.
It's happened. When my phone has broken 2 months ago. So I don't have, at that time, I didn't have phone. But when I continue my journey, when I start speaking with another person, I afraid. Like, I cannot
Yeah.
speak. I am making so much sentence. I making bad sentence structure. Then just because of 2 months, my speaking become very low.
Yeah, yeah. You know, if
Hmm.
anyone speak day to day, then they feel confidence. They
Confidence,
improve
right?
English. Yeah, you know, sentence and words are coming in automatically in mind,
Hmm.
but they
Right.
skip time, then you forget.
Yes, it is. It is happening with us. You know, we are a housewife, so you can understand that we have to do our house chores work. Then I have to handle my kids, and after that, if I have a time, so we can practice. Otherwise, our day will go same
Yeah,
like others.
yeah, yeah. Same to you.
Hmm.
You know,
So, hmm,
ladies, another one ladies understand other than ladies.
hmm. Only ladies can understand ladies' feeling,
Yeah, yeah,
right? And now I am thinking how you are managing two kids because now I cannot handle my one kid.
yeah. You know, my little child is very, you can say, sararti, naughty
No,
boy.
naughty. uh,
Yeah, but yeah, I that time I explain anything, then understand.
mm,
Okay, mama.
okay. So when
Yeah,
he is go when he will go school?
yeah. In 2 months after 2 months ago, after.
Okay. You didn't get admission school in your kid
No,
for
no,
your
no.
kid. Oh,
Yeah, yeah. My husband, only my husband,
okay, no
because
problem.
I live in Dura. You can say village, na. So that's why in village area, only husbands go for admission.
Not woman.
No.
Now this is going on in your village.
Yeah, but sometime.
Okay. If you want to go shopping for purchasing new sari, for purchasing new suit, so who will take who you will who will give कौन जाएगा आपके साथ मतलब
Who will go with you?
हाँ yes who will
Yeah,
go with you.
yeah. My mother-in-law and my sister-in-law.
Your husband will not go with you.
Yeah, because in Dura, small market. So that's why
Hmm.
I go with my mother-in-law and my daughter sister-in-law. If I go other outside, then I
Hmm.
go with my husband.
Okay.
Yeah. Because if I want to go Fatehpur, because Fatehpur is a 9 kilometer far to Dura.
Hmm.
So if I
Hmm.
go Fatehpur Sigri, then I go with my husband.
Okay.
Yeah, Fatehpur is a big market, and also you can say Dargah. You
Okay.
listen
So your
about Dargah?
yes I
Yeah.
listen. In my house near there are a lot of dargahs. Means
Okay.
yes in my near of my house.
Okay.
Okay. And your husband know that you are running a YouTube channel.
Yeah, my husband and my mother-in-law also,
And
all
what they
family.
said to you.
No, they support me and they said like if you want to do anything, then you okay, then do can.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay.
You, first time I asked that time I want to start my YouTube channel. Then I ask I want to make in my YouTube channel. Then what is this? Because they know about YouTube channel, they don't know what is this.
Hmm.
So that time, what is this?
Hmm.
क्या करना है इसका? But I
Hmm.
explain that all thing. Then okay, you can.
No, that's
Yeah,
good. You know, when husband supports us, na, so nobody can say anything
yeah,
for us, na.
yeah. All thing depend our husband.
Yes. And you are staying with your joint fam. Are you staying in your joint family?
Yeah.